into the room exhausted, trying hard to hold myself together, smiling while my soul felt restless, wondering if peace would come forever. Every thought became so heavy, every night felt cold and long, and somewhere in the middle of the silence, I forgot where I belonged. And then the piano filled the darkness, softly through the atmosphere, and every voice inside the worship made it feel like heaven was near. I found rest the moment Jesus touched my heart. Every anxious wall around me started slowly falling apart. I found rest, like mercy pouring through my soul. And all the weight I walked in carrying didn't control me anymore, because the presence of the Father was here.